demonstration of working of our bot Botanicus. This is our bot Botanicus made to help our fellow farmers. You can have a look at this. This is a web UI we have made using HTML and CSS to control our bot in all directions. You can have a look at this. When we click forward, our bot moves forward. When we click on stop, the bot stops. And when we click backwards, the move backwards. When we click right, it moves right. And same for the left. And you can have a look at the directions and the web UI we have made. The bot has two major parts. One is the controlling part and the second is the sensor part. The controlling part is controlled by this UI, but if the farmer wants to look the values of the weather, sensor and the soil level and wants to control the pump, we have made advanced UI and a simple UI. In the advanced UI, the farmer can check all the values of the temperature, humidity, dew point and the moisture level through the graph. If the farmer wants to see all the values and in one dashboard, we have created this advanced dashboard. Along with, the farmer can also control the pump and the seed dispenser connected to the bot through this UI. If the farmer uses more than one bot, we have made this UI, which have a feature of integration of more than one bots. You can have a look at it. This UI is currently working with one bot. If the farmer wants to connect more than one bot, he can use these features also. We have made a feature called map, through which the farmer can locate all the bots working in the garden or the farm. And if the farmers want to have a record of the energy usage of the bots and want to monitor the usage of bot, we have also created an energy dashboard for the farmers. You can have a look. If the farmers doesn't want this advanced UI, or if he just wants to control one bot, we have made a simpler UI for our farmers. You can have a look at this. Through this UI, the farmer can check the values of sensors, the moisture level and control the pump. You can have a look at this. If you want to see the demonstration, have a look at this. This is the pump connected to our bot Botanicus. This is the water container and this is the outlet of the water. When the farmer clicks on the toggle 2, which is for the pump associated with the bot, if it's click on the pump 2, the pump turns on. You can have a look at this. The water is getting out of the pump. Water gets out of the outlet, and when we stop, the pump will stop. And if the farmer wants to dispense seeds in the farm, we have connected a seed dispenser through which the farmer can control it automatically or manually. If the farmer wants to dispense more seeds, he can adjust it manually and he can change the level of seeds he wants to dispense in the soil. You can have a look at this. If the farmer wants to check the level of moisture, or he just wants to monitor his garden, we have connected a sensor. You can have a look at the dashboard of the farmer. You can see this is the moisture sensor. It is currently in the wet soil, so the data shows the value 3292. If the farmer puts the sensor in the, you can see the value changes to 3915. But if I will show you again, when you put it in the wet soil, the value changes to 1522. But if the farmer puts this sensor in dry soil, the value changes to 3915. If the farmer wants to check the humidity, temperature and the dew point of the farm, you can also have a look at it. This is the temperature value, which is currently 31.4 degree. Humidity is 50% and the dew point is 19.7 degrees Celsius. Thank you.